Welcome to Lumea. Wait 24 hours for skin reactions. In the previous video, we showed how to perform a skin test. However, the test isn't yet complete. It's important that you wait for 24 hours in case of any skin reactions. Note that you need to wait for 24 hours even if you have never experienced skin reactions with other products before. After 24 hours, check. Did you notice any reactions on your skin after having flashed the area? Don't forget to check all the areas you tested. If there are no skin reactions after 24 hours, you can move on to the next step, performing a treatment. If you notice reactions, choose a lower setting you've tested that didn't result in any reactions. If you didn't test a lower setting, repeat the skin test using a lower setting. Once you've found the highest comfortable setting with no skin reactions, you can perform a treatment.